Welcome to this episode where we explore procedural knowledge and how to teach the skills, methods, and processes students need to succeed. So far, we've looked at factual knowledge, the what, and conceptual knowledge, the why. Now, we're focusing on the how. Procedural knowledge is all about action. It's the steps, routines, methods, and strategies students use to complete a task or solve a problem. For example, in maths, it's knowing how to solve a two-step equation. In English, it's how to write a persuasive paragraph using a structure like Peel. In science, it's how to set up and conduct a fair investigation. In art, it's how to use a specific brush technique. It's not just about what they know, but how they do it. Procedural knowledge usually follows a sequence. That's why modelling is so important. When we break a process down into steps and show students how to do it, then give them time to practice, we help them build confidence and fluency. Here are 3 key ways to support procedural learning. 1. Model the process out loud. Let students hear your thinking as you work through a task step by step. 2. Give guided practice before independent work. Don't expect mastery straight away. Support them through it first. 3. Provide visual aids or checklists. These help students remember the steps until the routine becomes automatic. Procedural knowledge is powerful, but it takes time. Students often need multiple exposures to a method with chances to revisit and refine. Next time you teach a skill, ask yourself, have I shown them how to do it? Have I given them time to try it? Do they understand the steps, or are they guessing? Procedural knowledge helps students apply what they know and develop mastery over time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a colleague who's ready to turn knowledge into action.